Windows. So let's do it. ankisrs.net. Click enter, and then you hit the download button, and it takes you to download Anki for your version of Windows, obviously. And then you know how to install things, right? So you just click the downloaded file and it opens the installation folder, and you just go through it, click install. To cut the long story short, this is what it looks like after installation. It's empty, there's nothing. So let's go to my website, Anglicky, and then you click Anki and open. You just open the downloaded file, and Anki automatically recognizes it and imports into your collection with the folder name Anglicky. Isn't it great? So 38 cards, not much, we need more. So let's do that and hit Anki. And again, and it checks for duplicates. Isn't it so clever? I just love it. 58 more cards that I can learn. Now, how to study? You just click the deck and then study. And here's the front of the card and here's the back of the card. And you just choose if you need it again, or it's good, or it's easy. Then it'll show it to you in like less than 1 minute, less than 10 minutes, or in 4 days. Anki keeps a record of all the cars that you've been through and how old they are, and it adjusts the time frames. So it's super clever. You just do it and you're honest and you go through it. Not like this, that what I'm doing now. And then you can be sure that you will learn these things. You're gonna learn 10 expressions a day. Okay, so you can change a lot of settings. I recommend keeping it default, but you can change the number of new cards to 30, for example, and go through it. But we know that we can learn about 6 to 10 words a day, so yeah, don't try too hard, because then it'll add up and it'll take too long. Trust the app, okay?